Welcome back to the channel Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll dive straight into finding the 5 best apps organize recipe on Android, helping you digitize your kitchen. We've got the top contenders ready to help you manage your cookbooks and meal plans right from your phone. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have the app Recipe Keeper. This app is described as the quick and easy way to collect, organize, and share all your favorite recipes across mobile, tablet, and desktop. Despite its low rating of 2.5 stars, it has accumulated a significant 13K reviews, suggesting a dedicated user base. Here are some of its standout features. All your recipes in one place. Easily collect and manage every recipe you own in one unified digital space. Recipe scanner, snap, extract, and save your favorite recipes from cookbooks or handwritten notes. Website importer. Directly import recipes from thousands of supported websites with a single tap. Now let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. Starting with the home menu, you'll likely see an overview of your recipe collection and perhaps some quick access features. Tapping the shopping option will bring you to the integrated shopping list, which automatically groups items for easier trips to the store. The planner option is your built-in meal planner where you can organize your meals for the week or month ahead. Moving on to the cookbooks option, here you can manage or even create digital cookbooks from your recipes for sharing or printing. Finally, the settings icon on the bottom right allows you to customize the app's appearance, transfer recipes from other platforms, and adjust other preferences. At number 4 on our list, we have the app Supercook Recipe Generator. With a 4.0 rating and over 16,000 reviews, Supercook solves the age-old question, what can I make with what I have? Unlike other recipe apps, Supercook focuses entirely on using the ingredients already in your pantry to help you reduce food waste and save on groceries. Here are a few of its standout features. Pantry building. Quickly add all the ingredients you have at home, including oils and spices, to your in-app pantry. Automatic recommendations. Instantly discover thousands of recipes, all made exclusively with the ingredients you have on hand. Recipe refinement. Utilize powerful filters to narrow down your 11 million plus recipe suggestions by cuisine, diet, or meal type. Now let's take a quick look at the app's interface. Starting at the bottom, the pantry option is where you manage your current ingredients, adding or removing items as you shop or cook. Tapping the menu option instantly brings up all your available recipes categorized like soups, entrees, and desserts. The favorites option lets you save recipes you love so you can easily find them later. The shopping list feature allows you to build a list for ingredients you may be missing or want to stock up on. Finally, the search bar at the top menu gives you another way to quickly look for specific ingredients or dish ideas. At number 3 on our list, we have Kitchen Stories Recipes. This award-winning app, rated 4.4 stars with 30K reviews, is designed to make everyday cooking easy and enjoyable. It aims to build your confidence in the kitchen with step-by-step guides, help you save time, and connect you with a passionate community of home chefs. Here are 3 standout features. Discover new recipes every day. Get inspired daily by thousands of free food recipes, tips, and articles. A fantastic mobile app that has revolutionized my culinary experience. This app has received praise from media outlets like the Washington Post and Forbes for its instructive and high-quality content. Discover over 10,000 recipes. You can find everything from vegetarian and vegan dishes to low-carb and gluten-free options. Now let's take a look at the design and layout. As we open the app, the home menu immediately presents new recipe inspiration and curated content. Tapping the search icon at the bottom allows us to quickly find the perfect dish based on taste or dietary preferences. The My Recipes option is where you can access your personal profile, set up customized cookbooks, and save your favorites. Over in the shopping list section, you can easily plan and organize the ingredients you need. Finally, the profile icon offers a way to explore recipes from the community and exchange cooking experiences with other users. At number 2 on our list, we have the Big Oven Recipes and Meal Planner app with a rating of 3.8 stars across over 30,000 reviews. Big Oven's main purpose is to make cooking simpler by helping you find recipes, plan your meals, and create grocery lists all in one place. Here are 3 standout features that make it a great tool for any home cook. Recipe inspiration. You can find inspiration from over 1 million recipes shared by the community. Specialized search. Find exactly what you are looking for using specialized collections or by searching dishes by course. Shared shopping list. Create a grocery list for yourself or easily share it with others in your household. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean user interface. Starting on the main screen, the Get Ideas menu is the perfect place to begin, showing you what's currently trending and what friends are cooking. Tapping the My Recipes option takes you to your personal library where all your saved, clipped, or handwritten recipes are neatly organized. You can use the search icon in the top right to quickly access the app's powerful search filters and collections. Finally, clicking the 3 dots icon, also in the top right, reveals the main settings and menu options, including access to tools like the Meal Planner and the Use Up Leftovers feature. At number 1 on our list, we have the app My Recipe Box, My Cookbook. With an excellent rating of 4.8 stars from over 38,000 reviews, this all-in-one recipe book is designed to be your digital cookbook, recipe keeper, and meal planner. It comes equipped with tools like a grocery list maker and offline functionality, making your cooking journey seamless and delightful. Here are 3 standout features. All your recipes in one app. Collect and organize your favorite recipes in one place. Cook. The clean, intuitive interface makes following a recipe effortless. Import from any website. Add recipes from your favorite sites in just one tap. Now let's take a quick look at the app's interface and design. Starting on the main screen, we can tap the calendar option in the bottom left, which takes us to the integrated meal planner for scheduling meals. Next to that is the grocery option where the app helps you generate detailed shopping lists based on your recipes. In the center, we find the add button which allows you to easily input your own recipes, search for new ones, or import them directly from a cooking website. Moving to the right, the sync option lets you securely backup and restore your recipe collection with cloud services like Dropbox. Finally, the More option opens up additional settings and premium features for deeper customization. The clean layout and easy navigation make this app a pleasure to use. Thank you for watching and please remember to subscribe for more app breakdowns.